Gargis, Kolhapur. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are present physically as well as virtually today. Rotary theme for 2021 is Rotary Opens Opportunities. RI President-elect Holger Knack's theme for 2021, Rotary Opens Opportunities, asks Rotarians to create opportunities that strengthen their leadership, helps push service ideas in action, and improve the lives of those in need.
14 years ago, Gargis was chartered on 27 June 2007 with an idea of professional women coming together from different walks of life and going beyond their profession to make an impact on the society. Over the years, Gargis have done projects in various fields of service like education, environment, and women empowerment, to name a few. I now request outgoing team Rotarian Meghna Shilke and Rotarian Yogini Kulkarni to please be seated on the dais.
Now I request Rotarian Lakshmi Shirgaonkar to call her the President and the Secretary. Thank you, Lakshmi. Now I request Rotarian Shobha Taude to kindly escort our DG Rotarian Sangram Patil and First Lady and Innovate District ISO Rotarian Utkarsha Patil to the dais. Thank you, Rotarian Shobha and Lakshmi.
Now I request the President to call the meeting to order. Let us all stand up to observe a minute of silence for the world peace and understanding. Thank you, everyone. We will now recite the four-way test. Kindly recite after me. Of the things we think, say or do.
Of the things we think, say or do.
Is it the truth?
Is it the truth?
Is it fair to all concerned?
Is it fair to all concerned?
Will it build goodwill and better friendships?
Will it build goodwill and better friendships?
Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Kindly remain standing for National Anthem.
Jana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे Jaya 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 He.
Thank you, everyone. Please be seated.
Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony for this meet. This meet I call upon all the incoming and outgoing team along with the dignitaries on the dais.
Yeah. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा या कुन्देन्द्रतुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिर्देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
Thank you, everyone. Now, I request President Rotarian Meghna Sherke to give her welcome speech.
The ideal of service above self is embedded in our hearts. And with a great sense of pride, we continue to seek out avenues to assist as many of the worthy organizations and community programs as we could. The uniqueness of these celebrations is that it is spearheaded by our own past presidents. Who can be better to organize the celebrations of our achievements than the very people who are a part and parcel of these achievements? We salute to each and every one of our past presidents for the unique contributions that have brought the club thus far. As a part of the celebration of 14 years of achievements, we have documented in our history through regular articles in the monthly as well as a dedicated website, activities, vocational trainings, teach activities and projects, health and medical checkup camps, coupled with the numerous donations, participation in district events such as district assembly, district seminars on PRO, menstrual hygiene, teach, contribution to Heart Supporting Fund, Global Grant for COVID-19 project, hosting the first event of International Conference for Women, providing drinking water and rainwater harvesting projects, and many more on the move. It was certainly a very busy year, which is probably why it passed in the blink of an eye. To recount, we had numerous successful projects in which the highlights were the signature event Yamini and Samita, the first ever international conference for women in District 3170. Thank you, Shobha Pai, for supporting us to take the decision of hosting this event for the first time and the city developer. It was a wonderful learning experience in the entire journey and the success of Samita. Both these events were successfully carried out with an untiring teamwork and support from the members. I thank Pratima Satish Patil Foundation and Virat Patil Sayaji Group for being the main sponsors for Yamini. Also for their continued support during the flood disaster and other activities. The year has presented us many challenges, especially at the beginning with the devastation caused by floods in Kolhapur and later the worldwide pandemic situation of COVID-19, which still continues. In all the instances and situations, the spirit of Rotary was alive and well as our members sought to come together in a common cause. With the new additions, we are building for the future. It takes a collective effort to make an association like ours viable. And I think it is only fair that I especially thank each one of them for their cooperation and support. I'm happy to announce that we have become successful in making our club a 100% PHS club this year, which I had visioned during the beginning of the year. We have also been successful in contributing the highest amount to the global grant project for COVID-19 for supplying powder beds and medical facilities to municipal hospitals along with the Rotary movement. One major project which I would like to highlight is the bore well facility of drinking water and rainwater harvesting, which we could complete at Village Madhya. More than 5,000 people have been facilitated with clean drinking water. I would also like to mention that in the mutual desire to promote international goodwill and friendship and further strengthen fellowship and acquaintance in pursuit of the ideals and objectives of the Rotary International, Rotary Club of Gargi and Rotary Club of Mathrubhumi, Nepal, District 3292, have signed an agreement to develop and promote friendship and mutual understanding between the two sister Rotary clubs and the members. This opportunity was provided by our past District Governor, Dr. Dinesh Masood. I also thank him immensely for his continued support and guidance. A big thank you to Assistant Governor Prakash Jagdale for all the assistance and timely advice and updates during the year. We could also start our Provost Club in the name of Snehadham. So the Provost Club, which comprises of more than 100 senior citizen members. Along with them, we could donate covers to the Hinanaban Trust for them. I would also like to mention the generous contribution of our Charter President Shobha Ghai of rupees 70,000 in the memory of late Vibhavi Kavre Yadav to the Rotary Foundation. Her memories are alive forever and blessings to her from all for doing the good in the society. As President Gauri, Secretary Anju Ghai and Treasurer Madhulika prepares to assume the mantle, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the members of the Rotary Club of Gargis for helping me to make this a most memorable and enjoyable year. To our Rotary Club Samarpan and Rotary Club Maidrei, I extend a special thanks for our tireless efforts and participation in all our events. I congratulate Team Maidrei for having Disha Deshpande as the Tiara for District 3170. A big thank you to our President of RCC Kandarga Club for spontaneously arranging programs along with their members. Joining Rotary all these years ago has turned out to be one of the most rewarding activities I undertake in my personal life. Serving as a president was the most rewarding and humbling experience. My deepest thanks for the opportunity to serve this great club as a president. I thank past President Sujata for attending my calls and patiently supporting in whatever help needed. Working together with her during Samhita was a great experience and fun. Thank you, Preeti, for shouldering the responsibility of Yamini as the chairperson. You worked tirelessly for the success of the event. Special thanks to Renuka, Nita, and Vidya for being the best mentors who guided me with this special and precious experience. A big thank you to Deepika for managing the financial documents so very well. We look forward to your leadership qualities as a president very soon in the coming year, Deepika. Thank you, Binatai, Ashatai, Sulakshmi, Sadhnatai, Vishaka, Veena for always supporting me in the decisions and the projects undertaken. Thank you, Dr. Saroj, Dr. Geeta Pillai, and for taking out the time for the activities and sessions on NHM in the Zilla Parishad schools. They guided the girls from 6 different schools in Kolhapur district. I thank my secretary Rohini, who is also in relation as an elder sister, for the continued support, encouragement, and her willingness to be there with me for each and every activity undertaken. Anything we had to plan, if there was a doubt I had, her positive approach always made it work so smoothly. Thank you so much, Rohini, once again for being there beside me forever. Lakshmi, as a treasurer, we share a special relation right from being school class buddies to now also being close neighbors and very good friends as well. An extremely patient and sincere at work and always to the mark with her account campaign. With so much of efficient teamwork, the year was bound to be smooth and successful with a feeling of contentment and happiness. I'm also grateful to my family, my husband Sunil, and children Tushar and Anita, who patiently stood beside me, overlooking the extra time I had spared to fulfill my duties as a club leader. Without them, this journey would have not been possible. Special thanks to Ajay Kadam for creating the best designs and managing the artwork for the club's entire activities, brochures and website for Samhita and Rotary Club of Gardenis. I also cannot forget to mention the contribution of my office admin person, Mr. Vijay, for his kindly help in every administration work of the club. A big thank you to the Rotary boy Yuvraj and Prakash for doing all the odd jobs when we used to move around for the projects. I now sum up and conclude to thank all of you for trusting me with the responsibility of serving in the most challenging and rewarding position I have known to date. I hope I have not disappointed you. Thank you all for honoring us with your presence for the installation ceremony today. Thank you once again and wish all the incoming team a great success for the Rotary year 2020 under the able guidance of our district governor, Sanjay Patil sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meghna. Now I request Secretary Rotarian Yogini Kulkarni to give her secretary report for 1920.
Good morning. DG Rotarian Sangram Patil, First Lady Utkarsha, AG Dr. Suhas Kulkarni, and my dear Gardenis. To begin with, I would like to thank all my Gardenis for the excellent support given to our team for the entire year. Without this, we wouldn't have achieved our goals. This was really a challenging year for Rotary. It started with floods and is now with the pandemic. But I would rather say we are given an opportunity to serve. We visited so many schools and colleges in the rural areas for aiding them for flood and even for the emerging awareness programs along with our guardians, Dr. Neeta Philip and Dr. Saroj Shinde. It's actually there that the help is needed, and I feel so happy. It's Rotary that reaches there. Rotary Club of Gardenis, most vibrant club, as it is known in the district 3170, had a chance to show its vibrancy at an all-India, say international level through Samhita. And I feel that was the best achievement of the year. A very good example of teamwork shown by all the Gardenis. Thank you, Meghna, for being a very good president. Mature, meticulous, and a time management expert. She always shared her views about everything and always asked and considered my views. It was great working with her. Thank you, Lakshmi, for all your energetic and timely inputs. She's been a very, very prompt and calculated treasurer, warning and keeping us on proper track with all the expenses. For me, it was a year differently spent. A little sacrifice of the work and home front, but the most satisfying year I ever had. As I said, we had a very challenging, demanding, and a fruitful year. I have tried to cover all the activities and projects in the PPT, which will be shown to you now. I once again thank the team Gardenis for the unconditional support throughout the year. I wish the new team great success in all their endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotary. fruitful year. We will now begin with the introduction of our incoming treasurer, Rotarian Madhulika Jagdare.
Hello. Is Madhulika on workshop? Madhulika Jagdare, she is an architect by profession, a gold medalist in Bachelor of Architecture. She did A-March in Project Management in Construction from Manchester, UK. She has experience working with Padma Bhushan Hafiz contractor architects in Mumbai. She has designed many commercial projects with actress and interior designer Twinkle Khanna. Presently, she is working as assistant professor in D.Y. Patil College of Engineering and Technology and is a member of Chartered Institute of Builders, UK. She joined Rotary Club of Garges in 2016 and is a Paul Harris Fellow and has served as vocational director, Yamini co-chairperson, Club Magazine editor, joint treasurer since then. She is happily married to Kaustubh Jagdare and is blessed with a pretty daughter, Mihika Jagdare. We are glad to introduce our incoming secretary, Rotarian Anjali Mohite. To be precisely called Dr. Mrs. Anjali Mohite, she is BA/MS, MBA, currently working as Vice President of Abhishek Corporation and Director in Mohite Automobiles. She has started Apurva Garments 12 years back for women's empowerment by providing training in her company and giving them job opportunities to fulfill their daily expenses. She extends her hand in organic handloom fabric under the brand of Dori Handloom. We now take the opportunity to introduce our incoming president, Rotarian Gauri Shirgaonkar. Gauri Shirgaonkar is a professional, passionate, with a rich experience of more than 10 years in the field of corporate social responsibility. She is currently the promoter of SB Resellers Private Limited, Kolhapur. A graduate in psychology, postgraduate in social sciences from TISS Mumbai, and with an additional postgraduate diploma in human resources from Wellinger Institute of Management. And British Council initiative, Teach India for the Monsoon Cycle 2013, where she taught spoken English to adult learners. Gauri joined Rotary in 2016. Past President Vishakha Apte saw the potential in her and offered her the position of club secretary. She immediately became the secretary in the year of 2017, and in 2018, she is awarded the Best Secretary Award. On her personal front, she is married to Soham Shirgaonkar, joint MD SB Resellers Private Limited and Synergy Green Industries. She loves traveling around the world and her hobby is photography. One of her photos was selected in the paper in Sultanate of Oman. Now I request Rotarian Asha Jain to escort AG Rotarian Dr. Suhas Kulkarni to the dais. Thank you, Rotarian Asha. We would now like to introduce AG Dr. Suhas Kulkarni. Dr. Suhas Kulkarni, MD pediatrician and a neonatologist working in his own hospital for last 29 years. He has a teaching experience for last 10 years as working as associate professor in D.Y. Patil Medical College, Kolhapur, and is a successful postgraduate guide and examiner for MBBS. He was president of Kolhapur Academy of Pediatrics in 2009-2010 and has received appreciation award from Indian Academy of Pediatrics. Now, few words about his Rotary career. He joined Rotary Club of Midtown in 2004 and was made secretary of the same in 2009 and 2010. He received Silver Secretary and District Awards for the club. He attended International Rotary Convention at Bangkok in March 2012. He became president of Rotary Club of Midtown in 2012-2013 and received Best President Award. He was team leader for Neonatal Vocational Training Team in 2015, visited District 5230 California along with other 4 neonatologists. He has major contribution and donation in various social causes. He is a trustee of Lok Kalyan Kendra Jaipur Food Project and Spastic Baby Project. He is also trustee of Swayam School run by Red Cross. He is happily married to Rotarian Dr. Meera Kulkarni, a gynecologist, and has 2 children, Mitali, elder daughter, being a software engineer at California, and son Tejas doing MBBS. Thank you, Rotary Unnati. Now I request our installing officer and DG Rotarian Sangram Patil to kindly do the collaring of the incoming team.
Okay, okay.
Hearty congratulations to everyone.
Authority of the club is now being handed over to Gauri. So we make use of this authority for the betterment of the club and community. Thank you.
Thank you very much, DG and First Lady.
काहीतरी शिकवणार.
तुम्ही प्रेसिडेंट झाल्यापासूनच एक्सेप्ट केलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे काय ट्रेन
आता तो बॅलन्स व्यवस्थित
सोम लाल पाहिजे का? लाल फुल देऊ का?
काटे तुला लागू दे, तिला नुसतं फुल
म्हणजे मग तू एक्सेप्ट करशील.
अंजू वहिनीचा
दोन्ही पाहिजे. दोन्ही पाहिजे.
Okay. Thank you.
Hearty congratulations to the new team and thank you DG Rotarian Sangram Patil and First Lady Vikas Shah.
मला पण म्हणते ना त्याच्या आधी
Please be seated, everyone. Now I request our new president and secretary, please be seated on the dais.
Namaskaram to all the lovely Gargis. New threats lead to Namaskaram to all the lovely Gargis. New threats lead to new opportunities to new innovations to keep us connected so that the rhythm is on and the show goes on. My heartfelt gratitude to Makar and all the wonderful Gargis for giving my students this wonderful virtual opportunity. We pray to Lord Vigneshwara to remove all our obstacles and bless us with a wonderful year ahead. Presenting to you Vatapi Ganapatim in Raga Hamsadvani set to Aditalam, choreographed by Guru Srimati Padmini Ravi. Get him, gana Ganapatim bhaje, Ambadapi Ganapatim bhaje, Ambadapi Ganapatim. Gane kujam, kina kujam, gana Ganapatim bhaje, Ambadapi Ganapatim bhaje, Ambadapi Ganapatim. Kajam, kajam. Takata, tajam, tajam. Takati kota, tajam, takanda, aganda. Ganapatim bhaje, Ambadapi Ganapatim bhaje, Ambadapi Ganapatim. Takadini takajona dikta, takadini takajona dikta, takadini takajona di. Ganapatim bhaje, Ambarana. Varanasyam Varapradam Shri Varanasyam Varapradam
लॅपटॉपचाच आवाज असू द्या. हॅलो, कॅन यू हिअर मी विदाउट द माईक? बाकी म्यूट करते मी सगळं. आवाज तुमचा स्पीकर बंद करा फक्त, म्हणजे जो तुम्हाला आवाज ऐकू येतोय ना ते बंद. नाही, आता झालं? त्यांचा स्पीकरचा जो आवाज येतो. Technology gives us some time to breathe. It's giving me time to compose for my remarks. Has the echo stopped now? Okay, perfect. Yeah. Good afternoon and warm welcome to DG Sangram Patil ji and First Lady Anne Utkarsha Patil ji, AG Dr. Suhas Kulkarni ji, dignitaries who have joined us online, and my dear Gargis present here. At the outset, let me appreciate the wonderful efforts of the outgoing President Meghna and her team. Last year, as Yogini Tait said, was a trying year, which started with the floods and ended with COVID. Your projects and efforts were truly commendable. This reminds me of a saying, what is the difference between obstacle and opportunity? The answer is attitude. As every obstacle comes with an opportunity and every opportunity comes with an obstacle. And true to the theme of this year, Rotary opens opportunities. We have begun this year with a lot of untapped opportunities to be explored. We assure you, sir, that all of Gargis present here are not only Rotarians, but women Rotarians. We have the positive attitude ingrained within us. We have the confidence to change the obstacles into opportunities and set an example for the rest of the district and world to follow. Our club has done some wonderful work till now, like tree plantation, blood donation, educational webinars on COVID, parenting and mental health for adolescent children and their parents. We have also done some vocational training sessions for adults on spoken English and awareness on the health benefits of marathon. We recognize the doctors as COVID warriors in July for their contribution towards the society. It is a matter of great pride for us that our Maitreya Interact Club member Disha Deshpande was selected as the DIR for Interact. In the matter of just 2 months, our members participated in 2 inter-district events, which was patriotic song competition and Bestie for Restie competitions, where our members emerged victorious. As part of club service, we ran a photo challenge competition, where each day a topic was given and Gargi members gave an overwhelming response to it. In future, we wish to take district level teacher training sessions, other webinars and interesting competitions for Rotarians and members of District 3170. Looking at the efforts put by all the members in Gargis, I wish to announce that we will be introducing club service awards within Gargis this year, so that all the efforts put by each member are appreciated and acknowledged at the end of the year. There will be 5 criteria and an award will be given for each criteria. The criteria for these awards will be: first, attendance. Attendance of members in weekly meetings, in projects, in webinars. Second, project participation. Slightly different from attendance, this criteria will be based on the active role Gargis are willing to take up in projects. Are you willing to lead a project? Are you willing to introduce a project to the team? Those will be the points which will be counted. Fundraising. Financial assistance provided by Gargis, either by giving sponsorships to projects, donating in kind, or even facilitating funds beyond their fees. And I would like to announce that Pratima Patil, along with her fees, also donated rupees 5,000 to Gargis for starting off their in any project which we could use. District level participation. Participation of team members in district level competitions, conferences and seminars in Rotary. So the more you participate in all these conferences, webinars, district events, you will earn more points, and by the end of it all, you will be more qualified to get that award. A contribution, and the 5th and the last point is contribution to TRF. Any member who will go beyond their regular commitment and will contribute to the Rotary Foundation will be recognized for their contribution to TRF. Any member who fulfills all these criteria equally well will then be awarded Gargi of the Year award. So there is an award for each criteria. At the same time, there is an award which is meant for overall contribution to all the criteria. So ladies, get ready and gear up. The year has just begun and we still have a lot of work to do. The first 2 months of Rotary remind me of a Jataka tale that I used to hear as a young child. And I wish to share with you here in brief. In a forest somewhere, there was a tree where birds used to come and sit every day. Once a bird hunter saw this and seized an opportunity and laid trap for the birds. The birds, in a hope that food was offered, came down on the ground and got entangled in the web. Suddenly, all of them were caught in the web and started to panic. They did not know what to do. It was here that one of their wise elders came forward and said, "Don't worry, let's all come together and fly. With our efforts, the hunter won't be able to catch us." They all listened and flew together. The story goes further that the birds all flew to their friends who were the rats and they chewed the net away. We all, my friends, are like these birds caught in the web of COVID. And I happily thank our founder president Shobha Tai, who, like a wise elder, guided us to come together and fight. Thank you, Shobha Tai, for your support. It means a lot to us. I take this opportunity to thank all Gargi members for your support and encouragement for our team. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my core team, as people call it, Club Secretary Anjali Mohite, who so graciously not only supports me, but encourages me to do better every time, while firmly supporting every decision I make. Also, Madhulika, who is ever enthusiastic in lending her support to any new ideas that we come up. In spite of being a new mother, never has she excused herself from any responsibilities. Today, she couldn't make it because it was her daughter's vaccination. And right at the moment when her biodata was being read, she was online. So kudos to Madhulika. And thank you so much. Thank you to Kavita for giving her wishes to us. Thank you. Thank you. It is my pleasure to declare the office bearers. May I request office bearers who are present here to please come and stand in the front so that we could take a picture afterwards. We will join you later. Let me start with the immediate past president, Rotarian Meghna Sherke, President-elect Deepika Kumbotskar, Vice President Rotarian Kavita Ghatke, Joint Secretary Rotarian Aarti Pawar, Joint Treasurer Rotarian Sheetal Kulkarni, Sergeant at Arms Rotarian Savita Pade, Bulletin Editor Rotarian Aarti Ghorpade, Club Councillors Rotarian Sulakshmi Patil, Rotarian Sadhna Ghatge and Rotarian Vishakha Apte, Club Service Rotarian Mamta Zawar and Rotarian Trishala Gandhi, Community Service Rotarian Pratima Patil and Rotarian Yogini Kulkarni, Vocational Service Rotarian Lakshmi Shirgaonkar and Rotarian Harshada Naik, International Service Rotarian Pallavi Korgaonkar and Rotarian Nupur Magdum, New Generation Service Rotarian Jaya Maheshwari and Rotarian Kavita Ghatke, Public Relations Rotarian Preeti Marda and Rotarian Lata Hallalka, Club Administration Rotarian Mona Patel, Rotarian Sucheta Menon and Rotarian Kalpana Ghatge, Membership Rotarian Sujata Lohia and Rotarian Beena Janwadkar, service projects, Rotarian Dr. Sigdha Chitnis, Rotarian Dr. Archana Pawar and Dr. Anjali Kaddu, cancer awareness, Rotarian Asha Jain and Rotarian Dr. Saroj Shinde, community drinking water, Meghna is already here, Rotarian Aarti Wagdhare and Rotarian Brushali Shinde, Drishti or Vision, Rotarian Rekha Sarda, Rotarian Geeta Patil and Rotarian Kavita Nair, housing, Rotarian Girija Kulkarni and Rotarian Dr. Sheetal Desai, sanitation, Rotarian Renuka Sapre and Rotarian Gayatri Menon, global grants, Rotarian Vishakha Apte and Rotarian Sadhna Ghatke, literacy or teach, Rotarian hygiene, Rotarian Shilpa Asgaonkar, Rotarian Sulakshmi Patil and Rotarian Surekha Ingrole, health projects, Dr. Neeta Narke, Rotarian Dr. Neeta Narke, Dr. Geeta Pillai, polio, Rotarian Veena Sinha, Rotarian Gargi Bongale and Rotarian Savita Pade. And to lead us all, our team of me, the president, club secretary, and the treasurer, Madhulika Jagdale. I will have a seat. Yeah. The photo you should.
Come back to
इथे ऑडिओ ऑन केलेला आहे म्हणजे तिकडनं पण बोलता येईल आणि इकडनं पण सगळं दिसेल. तुम्हाला स्पॉटलाइट दाखवतो.
Good afternoon, everybody. Our district governor and installing officer, Rotarian Sangram Patil, First Lady Utkarsha Madam, the outgoing team, President Secretary, the incoming President Secretary Treasurer, Shobhatai, Asha Madam. I feel privileged to be here because when I was president and I won the award, Shobhatai was one of the AGs and our district governor was another AG. So they have risen to such an extent now because I heard that Shobhatai is going to be the next AG probably. So with these two introduction, so maybe I will be in the line, I hope, with such a good guidance. So what I wanted to suggest was, you have a very nice leadership present in your club, and I must congratulate the past, the outgoing president secretary, because as I have been telling in all the installations that I'm a teacher. So I got a keen eye of seeing the mistakes. So we just turn the papers and we know this is wrong, like that. So I just want to watch all the programs, right, from whatever has been done. But I must congratulate the outgoing team because one of the key project which they have done was an international conference. Holding an international conference for women was, I think, quite a leap in the for Kolhapur as well as for India, definitely. That we are truly international. See, I have traveled through Rotary to USA. I went again one more time, and we have to learn that Rotary is a truly international thing. And so that project which you have done is a very excellent one. The other projects also, like I saw the flood, then the environment project, especially plastic awareness, and all were very, very good projects. And it poses a kind of a challenge for the incoming president, because every year we do a lot of activities and we have different new projects coming in. In our assembly, I have shown you the 8 verticals, and already the team this year has started working on that. And I must congratulate, for last 2 months, they have done a very good job. I also won the award. I have been winning the awards all my years. So I always wanted people who can win the awards for their clubs as well as for our districts at 3170. And it was a nice association last 2 months that all the projects you have participated and by heart, and also done the, in spite of being COVID, all the programs were conducted on Zoom. Even yesterday there was a program was about a marathon and a program about the COVID awareness. The all those programs I have seen, at least whatever time I got from the YouTube, as well as during the link which your president has sent to me. And I look forward for the year coming will be a better year than whatever up till now that has been done. And with this, I stop this because we are already running late. But I feel that your club should be the #1 club in the district. And I hope with all the leadership qualities and all the good hard work which you have done. Also, I like the speech by the past president. It was so meticulous. I always like such things, that they have done hard work. It shows that the homework of the president. And our new president has met me 5 months back, before 1st of July. And I was the happiest one, because when I was allotted the responsibility of Gargi's club, I was a bit reluctant, because I was thinking how I am going to work with them. But to be frank, in all the 5 clubs, she was the one who actually met me. We designed the programs and actually started executing right from day one. So I must thank her, as well as for all the club members, for being so cooperative and so active in the Rotary. Thank you very much.
Kavita is here online.
So I'm just spotlighting. Just a moment.
Kavita, would you like to say a few words? I can't hear you. You'll have to, one sec. I will unmute you.
Yeah, I've unmuted myself.
Yeah.
All the very best to you, Gauri, and the entire team. And thank you so much.
I can hear her. She just said, we couldn't hear you back, Kavita. Could you just...
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All the very best, Gauri, and the entire team.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for giving my girls this wonderful opportunity. It's really given us hope that we can continue with the art with keeping technology in mind. Thank you so much. It was an experiment for us. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you, Kavita.
Okay. We now invite AG Rotarian Dr. Suhas Kulkarni to acknowledge and felicitate Gargi members who participated in the Patriotic Song Competition and won the Special Jury Award at the district level. I invite Rotarian Shobha Taude, Rotarian Dina Janwarkar, Rotarian Mamta Zabar, and Rotarian Unnati Sabnis.
You are going to join us there.
Oh, yes, yes.
And
yes,
the lead singer.
Lead singer.
Huh? Announce that, no? Lead singer.
Yeah,
Sakshi.
And it's Sakshi Zawar. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes. President Gauri Shirgaonkar and Secretary Anjali Mohite. They are also the lead singers. We join the hands together. Now they have become professional singers.
You have not mentioned Gauri.
Yeah, I have mentioned.
Must have also won that award during the Friendship Day.
Yes.
Announce it.
Rotarian Mamta Zawar.
I would also like to announce that there was a competition run by Rotary Club of Hubli, where Rotary Club of Hubli Central, which is a small women's club. The competition was Besties for Besties. And there Mamta won the first prize for her rendition of friendship song. Music audio. So it was only on the basis of her voice that she got the award. And then she got a consolation prize for the photo which she shared with her best friend.
Oh, yes.
So congratulations once more, Mamta.
Yeah, I have named them Mamta, actually, Mamta and Sapna. Thank you, everyone. हे नंतर घेऊन जा Mamta, hearty congratulations.
AG
Totally professional.
During the lockdown, when people were struggling to meet each other, Gargi spread smiles amongst each other by participating in a 7-day photo challenge that brought out the best in each one. We request DG Sangramji to felicitate the winners of the competition. Now I request Rotarian Lakshmi to accept the prizes for those who are not present here. For day 1, Rotarian Renuka Sapre. For day 2, Rotarian Lakshmi Shirgaonkar. For day 3, Rotarian Shobha Taude. For day 4, Rotarian Kavita Nair. Okay.
Don't let her take for those who are not there first, and then let her take for herself.
So tu Renukacha de, Lakshmi Renukacha de pen. First day first, Rotarian Renuka Sapre.
कविता आणि सुप्रियाचा
Day 2. Day 2, Rotarian Lakshmi Shirgaonkar. Day 3, Rotarian Shobha Taude.
शोभा त्यांचं दिले पाठवलं लक्ष्मी तिकडेच उभी राहा सगळ्यांचंच कविता आणि हा तसंच कर तिथेच थांब सगळ्यांची अनाउन्स करते जे आले नाहीये त्या सगळ्यांचं घेऊन ये आरती नाही आली पल्लवीच दे ना जनरेटर हे तिघी नाहीच आहेत त्यांचं नुसतं एकाच वेळेला अनाउन्स करून ते नंतर पल्लवीचं थांबून घेऊया पल्लवीच या हे चारी त्यांना देतो हे नाही तू सगळी एकाच वेळेला ठीक नाही त्याच्यानंतर पल्लवी कोरगाव ती आहे ती घेईल तिचे नंतर हे चारचं तो एकत्रच म्हणजे परत वर खाली हे कुठं पल्लवीच हे वरती पल्लवीच आहे ती वर फक्त एका वेळेला ते तिथे फक्त पल्लवीचं तिथे ते ठेवून दे बाजूला गेल्यानंतर बाकीचे हा दे इकडे दे नंतर पाठव
Sangu?
Yeah, then announce.
Now I request Rotarian Lakshmi Shirgaonkar to accept other people's prizes, which are Rotarian Renuka Sapre, Rotarian Kavita Nair, Rotarian Supriya Doijad, and Rotarian Aarti Ghorpade for the 7 days photo contest. So, for Pallavi, the lights have come back. Thank you, Rotarian Lakshmi. And for day 7,
I will invite Rotarian Surekha Ingrole to accept the award on behalf of Supriya Doizod.
सर्टिफिकेट आहे त्याच्यावर फोटो
हो.
तेच ना
हळू
announced, so I walked it.
पहिले त्यांच्या हातात दिलंय ना माझ्या हातामागून
To please accept the award on the basis of Aarti Gholpade.
आपल्याला बोलायचंच आहे
त्यांचं जो 8 मिनिटाचा क्रिएटिव्ह डिक्शनच आहे ते थोडं
Please come and accept the award on basis for Kavita Naik.
स्पीच ऐकायला पाहिजे छान बोलले कसं छान सो डेडिकेटेड अदरवाइज ऑल्सो meticulous
very much
rightly said meticulous she's so dedicated.
And for day 7 Rotarian Pallavi Korgaonkar.
No.
There were 2 Gargis who were selected for overall performance. Lady Gargi of the series, Rotarian Jaya Maheshwari. As she is not present, I will request Rotarian Beena Janwarkar to accept her certificate. And second prize was for Lady Gargi of the challenge, Rotarian Kalpana Ghati.
Those were so beautiful that we added a category just so that we could appreciate her work. You could have shown the autograph. So the
There were judges who were also from the Gargis only, and we would like to felicitate them. They were Harshada Naik and Mona Patil. And for everyone's notice, they were not known to anybody of the Gargis till the date of results that they were the judges. So I would like Harshada only to accept the prize of Rotarian Mona Patil. Now we request DG Sangram Patil to felicitate 2 more Gargis who helped in the webinar which were arranged by our group. Rotarian Dr. Neeta Narke, she participated in the webinar on COVID-19 usefulness and information, and she delivered very nice messages to the community. Very nice contribution. Neeta. Today in this COVID condition, she has now started her YouTube channel, which will be delivering important lectures on her different topics. She introduces herself at Neeta Talks. And now the second Gargi who helped in webinar is Dr. Rotarian Saroj Shinde.
Okay, Asha Jain.
Now I request Notarian Asha Jain to accept Dr. Saroj Shinde's certificate on behalf of all. We now thank you, DG, for your wonderful support.
We will now play a short AV to introduce our installation officer and DG Sangramji Patil through the YouTube video. We request DG Sangramji to inspire and guide us for the year ahead and address the gathering.
There are very few people who do not follow where the path may lead, but they go where there is no path and they leave a trail. Rotarian Sangram Vishnu Patil is one of the very few leaders whose actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more. Rotarian Sangram Vishnu Patil was born on the 13th of September 1965 at the historical place Kolhapur. His father, Mr. Vishnu Patil, was the first BE Civil graduate in his hometown and has served in the irrigation department of the government of Maharashtra. His mother Shailaja was a homemaker. Sangram displayed his hard-working and entrepreneurship traits from his childhood days. His schooling was completed in the Rosary High School, Pune, St. Xavier's High School, Kolhapur and St. Vincent's High School, Pune. His passion for sports was visible during his school and college days when he participated in most of the sports tournaments. He graduated from MIT Pune and became a mechanical engineer. He opted for the sandwich course, due to which he got an opportunity to work in reputed companies like Kirloskar Cummins and Manograph Industries Limited. Rotarian Sangram had a vision to become an entrepreneur, and so after 2 years of working with other companies, in December 1989, he took a bold decision to leave his well-settled job and start his own company. Thus began the journey of the Marvelous Group. Being a first-generation entrepreneur, Sangram had to face many challenges, but he believed that our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. With blessings from his parents and support from his wife, Rotarian Utkarsha, he took his first step towards establishing his own company. And on the 29th of March 1990, he laid the foundation of Marvelous Engineers Private Limited, his flagship company. Working with companies like Tata Motors, Escorts Railway Equipment Division and Escorts Tractors, he proved his skills. In the year 1994, our country saw the growth of engineering exports, and sensing this change, Rotarian Sangram diversified into the export of engineering components. He started by exporting to Italy, and then in the year 1998, he joined hands with Vimarkatti SRL from Italy. In the year 2000, he formed Marvelous Machinist Private Limited with the Vimarkatti Group. This partnership further developed when in 2010, Marvelous Vimarkatti Foundry Private Limited was established. Year after year, overcoming many challenges, Rotarian Sangram expanded his business, catering to many reputed companies, and became a successful industrialist in southwestern Maharashtra. He has won many state and national awards, which brought him great recognition and laurels in the field of engineering. The Outstanding Entrepreneur Special Recognition National Award in the MSME sector, received at the hands of the Honorable Prime Minister of India. The Best Small-Scale Entrepreneur Award by the Government of Maharashtra, the ML Dahanukar Award for Entrepreneurship by the Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce and Industries, the Udyog Bhushan Award and the Engineering Export Promotion Council's Best Exporter Award twice in 2009-2010 and again in 2019-2020, to name a few. Rotarian Sangram is working as chairman of the Institute Management Committee of ITI Kolhapur. He is a member of the Board of Studies in Mechanical Engineering at KIT Engineering College. He is also a member of the Public Grievance Committee for the Central Excise Commissionerate Kolhapur and many other reputed institutions and organizations. He has also served as the Southern Maharashtra Zonal Council Chairman of the Confederation of Indian Industry or CII. Rotarian Sangram was invited to join the Rotary Club of Kolhapur Midtown in the year 1999. He has worked in all avenues of services in the club and was selected to lead the club in 2007-2008. He was selected as Best President in that year and his club bagged 3 district awards under his able leadership. He was appointed as Assistant Governor during 2012-2013 and he was adjudged Best Assistant Governor. The prestigious Club Builder Award also was conferred upon him in this year. He was District Secretary for Conference and Convention Promotion during 2013-2014 and he was also the District Secretary for District Events during 2015-2016. He has received the Rotary International Vocational Service Award during this year. He has been a trainer at BETS, SETS, district assemblies and revenue meets for many years. He was a councillor, organizing chairman and patron to the Urja Rotaract Conference during 2016-2017. In the year 2017-2018, he visited Rwanda in RI District 9150, in Rotary International District 9150 as a member of the Medicare Mission Team after being selected by District 3132. He was also selected to lead the vocational training team of our District 3170 going to Holland during the year 2015-2016. He has attended the Rotary International Conventions at Bangkok in 2011-2012 and at Lisbon in 2012-2013. Rotarian Sangram is a firm believer that we make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. So, apart from his regular donations to the Rotary projects, Rotarian Sangram came forward to become Major Donor Level 1 during 2007-2008 and Level 2 during 2016-2017 by donating $25,000 to the Rotary Foundation. He has been awarded with the Rotary Foundation's Service Award twice in 2007-2008 and 2012-2013. Rotarian Sangram married Utkarsha in the year 1989. Coming from a well-educated and enterprising family, Rotarian Utkarsha, who is also a telecommunication engineer, has been a pillar of support in the entire journey of Rotarian Sangram. Managerial tasks in his companies. Utkarsha is a Rotarian and also was president of the Inner Wheel Club of Kolhapur in the year 2016-2017. She is currently serving as District ISO for Inner Wheel District 317 and will lead the Inner Wheel as District Chairman in the year 2024-2025. Rotarian Sangram and Rotarian Utkarsha are a unique couple of District 3170. Where both will lead District 3170 and District 317 as District Governor and District Chairman respectively. Sangram has been blessed with one son, Gaurav, who is a mechanical engineer and who is married to Anagha, who is an MBA in HR from Symbiosis. And the young couple have recently been blessed with a baby boy, Pradyumna. Sangram is also blessed with a beautiful daughter, Sakshi, who has completed Masters in Entrepreneurship and Innovation Management from the Royal Holloway University of London. All Gaurav, Sakshi and Anagha are assisting him in their marvelous group companies. Looking at this spectacular journey of Rotarian Sangram, we can only say, जब इरादा बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, फिर देखना फजूल है कद आसमान का. Presenting before you a visionary industrialist, a passionate Rotarian, a motivating husband, an inspiring father, a proud grandfather, a good leader, and a great noble-hearted human being. Leader of our District 3170, Trailblazer, District Governor Sangram Patil.
introduction. What an introduction, I said.
Overwhelmed for 8 minutes.
Orally, verbally, they make a lot of mistakes in that. So, then what did you do?
Good, good.
Now we request DG Sangramji to inspire and guide us for the year ahead and address the gathering.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, friends. Respected dignitaries of the dais, Trailblazer President Gauri, Trailblazer Secretary Anjali, First Lady, Rotarian and Innovative, Prashant, Trailblazer Assistant Governor Suhas, my colleague when I was the Assistant Governor, Rotarian Shobatai, and all the respected and charming members of Rotary Club Gargis, and all the members who are virtually present on the Zoom platform also. A very good afternoon to all. एखाद्या आपली हिंदू संस्कृती असं सांगते की एखादी चांगली गोष्ट संपत असेल तर आपण त्या चांगल्या गोष्टीचं एका चांगल्या पद्धतीने फेअरवेल करतो आणि मग नवीन गोष्टीचं आपण स्वागत करतो. And that's what precisely we have been doing here in this installation ceremony. For years which passed by, we are farewelling, saying goodbye to that year, and we are welcoming the new year for 2021. But it is my urgent duty that about the year that went by, we need to really appreciate the efforts taken by the club leadership. See, the year started with the disaster with the floods, the year ended with the disaster with the corona pandemic. But what a leader you had last year. We really need to appreciate the efforts of any leadership to have a basic eligibility, because the leader should be a committed leader, the leader should be a competent leader, the leader should be a confident leader. And that's what precisely it is a mission त्याच्यामध्ये इतकं सुंदर झालं आहे. The moment she gave her acceptance speech, I mean the last speech, when she said her, I told her you spoke from your heart, and that's what is a sign of a real leader. Ma'am, you have ample opportunities to go ahead in this Rotary platform, and I think we expect more from you. Commitment, competency, and confidence. You see the amount of efforts he has taken all around the year, doing all the different projects, even during the flood relief operations. I could sense that, after so many years, the presence of Rotary Club Gargis in the collective events held by Kolhapur movement. All around you have been doing events at your maybe individual levels, at the club level, but at the collective Rotary movement level, the involvement was not that much. The involvement was there, but not that much. But last year I could sense the involvement of Yogini and Meghna along with their team. Right from the day one, when on 4th of August, I think we had the first meeting to start with the flood relief operations. Even at 6 o'clock in the evening, both of them were present. And when we inaugurated the ambulance at 8 o'clock, I think around 8:30 at Kaulanaga, they were there in the heavy rains that were pouring there. That shows the commitment they had for the cause. And then all around the different events that she took, I could see from the presentation Secretary Yogini gave. And also then the feather in the cap was the Samhita All Women's Conference that we held in the month of February. And that time also I was along with you all to see what kind of efforts you had taken. I mean, 3 to 4 months from before that, you had started planning. You used to hold meetings in Pearl. We used to be there to just guide you. But that I think was a motivation for you all to move on. But the registration that you could gather, I mean, that's the, even was admitted that was the feather in the cap for the events. Because the exhibition that you hold, yes, every year you have been doing that, so that's a routine that has been happening. That too also was appreciable. Even in these conditions, the number of stalls that you could do, I think, had doubled this year, even under this present recessionary conditions. So that day when I was there for the inauguration, I said that the industry people should visit here to see that we are all in the recession, but I don't see any recession in the amount of activity that is happening in the job. So that's the kind of work that she has done along with the team, and it's basically a team effort that has really brought her these results. So I think it is our duty to give put our hands together and appreciate the efforts of already now you have a very high benchmark set. And the new year coming is again beginning with a disaster. We are into this corona pandemic, and definitely it's going to bring us big challenges. So how do we expect, how do we accept this? Whether we accept this as a challenge or as a limitation or an opportunity is based on the leadership of the club. But the way I have been seeing your activities in the last 2 months, I think it is said that when the mind is weak, the situation becomes a problem. When the mind is stable, the situation becomes opportunity. When the mind is strong, the situation becomes a challenge, and when the mind is strong, the situation becomes an opportunity. And I have seen your strong mind in the last 2 months of July and August of 2021, which clearly indicates that you are looking at this as an opportunity and not as a limitation. Yeah, I think you had told Utkarsha that I have so many plans that I am not able to. Don't worry. You spell out your plans and we will do it in a way that nobody will expect. So you have that capability, you have that ability, and definitely you, along with the team, Anjali ma'am is with you, and the entire team, the board that I saw, is capable enough to make use of this situation, of this time, and convert that into an opportunity and do wonders. Because we are fortunate to have Holkar Kanath as our international leader. He's such a simple person, a kind-hearted person, and he believes that integrity and ethics are basically the basic core values on which the edifice of Rotary stands. And in the month of January, when he declared the theme, Rotary opens opportunities, he had no inkling of what is going to happen. That was in the month of January. Even nobody from us knew that we will be entering into this pandemic phase. And he gave us that theme that Rotary opens opportunities. And see what has happened just 1.5 months after that, from March onwards, the entire world has got into the tangle of this corona pandemic. And that's what I think he meant by saying Rotary opens opportunities, which means that we need to now find opportunities from these difficulties and ensure that our basic aim of doing good to service, good to society, that we are able to achieve. Rotary expects basically 3 things from any club leadership. There's the membership development, a good public image, and a good contribution to TRM. About the membership, yes, you have been growing year on year as far as the membership is concerned, but the membership, we have our membership development seminar on the 6th of September, coming Sunday. So I would request the members to please attend that. Please make it possible, because RI President nominee Shekhar Mehta is going to be the chief guest there. So we need to show him our solidarity. But he asked me, he said, what is your membership development target? I said, sir, we 6,000 ko abhi apna present membership hai. So another 600, 700, 10% increase is what I intend. He bluntly told me, I won't come for this seminar. I said, what? said, I want a minimum 30-35% target, then only if you commit that, then I will come for a seminar. So Gauriji, that's a big target that you need to achieve. So 63. So another, you calculate now percentages and let me know what best can be done on that. As far as the public image is concerned, when you are going up with so many good projects, that definitely is enhancing our image in public. And keep doing good, keep doing that. You laid a lot of plans what you are thinking of doing this year. Definitely that will create an impact on the society. And one more thing, last year also the contribution of Meghnaji for the COVID-19 project, it is a unique thing that 12 clubs from Kolhapur getting together and doing a global grant of $84,000 US. And in that, Gargi contributing the highest TRF contribution for that project. Is again something. And the public image improvement which has happened on account of that COVID hospital equipments that we are giving is something extraordinary. You see, for any moment when they require any help, the first thing that the collector or the commissioner does now is pick up a call and call me saying, Sir, this is a requirement, what do we do on this? So that's the image that Rotary has created, and that was possible only with these kinds of projects. So you are planning a lot of things in that area, so definitely that will improve our public image. And then see, for you doing good, we have more number of hands, but money is also required, and that money also you said you are promoting schemes, you are coming up with the best community award within the club, wherein one of the criteria which satisfied me was maximum contribution to TRA over and above committed. So that is also one of the criteria. त्यांचं तर ते ठरलेलंच आहे काय करायचं आहे ते त्यांनी बाकीच्या ठिकाणी लक्ष देऊन एन्शुअर केलं पाहिजे काय होतं कारण सुहास has sold जे काय कानात तुम्ही सांगितलं त्याच्यात ही डिक्लेअर्ड आहे. So now commitment is commitment. Okay. So definitely contribution to the TRF is one thing which definitely we need to take care, because see the good things that during my introduction you saw, I had been to Rwanda for the medical mission along with the district D132. But the amount of work we could see there, the amount of joy that we could sense in the eyes of the African people, the relief that we were giving them. This is what really motivates us, inspires us to further contribute to the TRF. Because we know that the money which we are contributing to the TRF, yes, it comes back to us. We have the opportunity to do something good within our community also. But at the same time, we have the opportunity to do something good beyond our community and in the world also, globally also. So that is what is expected. That is what our mission statement says, that together we see a world where people unite and take actions to increase the conditions better for the community globally and within ourselves also. So that's basically our mission statement, and we are working on those lines. Once we commit ourselves to the foundation, once we commit ourselves to good service projects, and I could see in the 7 areas of focus, you have divided into various state committees, and you have appointed chairmen or directors or advisors for each committee. So definitely on all the fronts you are trying to work, and it's really encouraging to see that Rotary Gargi is doing such kind of work. As I said, only one thing where we need to still work is promote leadership beyond our district, beyond our club. So promoting leadership for the district is one thing where Gargi is lacking at presently. So now I can identify 2-3 people who are capable of going at that level. So promote them, let them be in the forefront, and see to it that Gargi gets the first what we call the Bhagwan Gargila Lodi District 3170 Lady Governor, he Gargi's Mother Hari, first time for 3170. Who I told you have to decide amongst yourselves. but that तो बहुमान मिळावा अशी माझी वैयक्तिक इच्छा आहे आणि I think the club is capable of motivating the leadership to that level. So I, Utkarsha, again wish both of you all for the year of your action, the best luck for the year of your action and leadership, and whatever help is required. Master ante आहेतच assistant governor. He is professor by profession also, and so he knows. आणि त्यांनी सांगितलं काय चुकते काय नाही बरोबर आहे ते मला कळतं. त्यामुळे जरा सावध पण राहा त्याच्यापासून. Yes, he knows की प्रेसिडेंटशिप मध्ये त्यांना आम्ही जशी मदत केली ऍज अन असिस्टंट गव्हर्नर तेव्हा ते बरोबर आहे. त्यामुळे ते आता मदत करताय. So wish you again all the best for the year of action and leadership. आणि आपण शांतपणे देवाच्या वेळी देखील बसून ऐकून घेतलं त्याबद्दल आपल्या सर्वांचे मी अधिक आभार मानतो. जय हिंद.
Thank you, D.J. Sangramji, for your inspiration and guidance. Gargis will be committed to it. Now I request our Secretary Rotarian Anjali Mohite to deliver her vote of thanks.
Good afternoon. On behalf of Rotary Club of Gargis, it gives me immense pleasure to extend formal vote of thanks. My sincere thanks to our Installing Officer and DG Rotarian Sangram Patil and First Lady and Rotarian Utkarsha Patil for gracing our installation ceremony with your presence. Thank you, DG, for your wonderful words of encouragement. Thank you, AG Rotarian Dr. Suhas Kulkarni, for your continued support. My special thanks to Kavita Nair and her students and parents for your best wishes to the incoming team. Thank you once again to Kavita, Gayatri and Monica. Thank you to Madhusudan Hall and its team for making such lovely arrangement for our installation in such a short notice. We appreciate the outgoing team, Rotarian Meghna Shetty, Rotarian Yogini Kulkarni, Rotarian Lakshmi Shedakar, and your team of office bearers for the wonderful work done last year. I would like to extend my thanks to Rotarian Dr. Unnati Sarnis and Rotarian Anda Pendakar for the smooth flow of the evening. Thank you to all the past presidents of Gargis for your guidance, especially for founder president Shobha. Without you, this event would not have been possible. My vote of thanks would be incomplete without mentioning the support given by all of the Gargis present here and attending online. The motto, Rotary opens opportunities are possible only with your support and strength. Finally, I wish to convey my sincere regrets to anyone who I may have missed. I assure you it's an intention. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Rotary Anjali Mohite. Our sincere gratitude for your presence for the installation ceremony. Thank you, everyone, and each one. Take care and be safe. Thank you.
Yeah.
We invite you either